What's up, people? Welcome to my tutorial series where I'm going to be hopefully making many tutorials having to do with Gary's mod and with Wiremod. I don't like G-Combat and I don't like life support. I think Wiremod is the best, so these line of tutorials are going to be, the first video is going to be how to install and kind of what it is, and the next video tutorial will be some contraptions and stuff, and it'll just continue from there on out. So to start off, you need to have Gary's mod installed, duh, of course. So once you do have that installed and you want to get Wiremod, obviously, you go to trickystutorials.com. I will post a link in the description, or just type in Tricky's Tutorials. Pretty easy there. No, I'm sorry guys, I'm like really tired. Go to wiremod.com. Tricky's Tutorials is well, basically what it is, tutorials. Anyway, when you go to wiremod.com, go ahead and on the left there should be user control panel, stuff like this, site navigation. Click on download Wiremod, and then they'll have instructions on first you need an SVN client, and then Tortoise SVN is really good, and I suggest you use this, not anything else. So go ahead and click on that and get Tortoise SVN first, because yes, it is a necessity. Then on the left, click on download, and then click the 32-bit or 64-bit, depending on which version of Windows you have. If you don't know, you probably have 32-bit. Click on the .msi installer. If you don't have 32-bit and you download this, it'll just give you a weird error. Just go ahead and download this one and see if that works for you. But just keep clicking next on Tortoise SVN to install it. After you download it, double click on it, next, finish, whatever. And it'll ask you to restart your computer. Once you do that, go ahead and head on back to wiremod.com, and this is where your Tortoise SVN comes in handy. You need, once you have restarted your computer and installed the SVN client, you need to open up your Gary's mod folder in Steam. So for most people it's going to be in your C drive, program files, then Steam apps, your username, then the game, so Gary's mod in this case, and then Gary's mod again. Now I have a green check mark right there next on my add-ons folder. You will not have this. So basically, once you have restarted your computer, navigate to this folder, you have Tortoise SVN installed, you right click on your add-ons folder and you go to SVN Checkout. I don't have it because I already did it, but you right click on the add-ons folder. There's a few things you got to make sure are not inside of the add-ons folder. First of all, the folder wire has to be removed from inside of there, and you probably won't have that. Alright, so once that's, you know, wire's not in there, right click on the add-ons folder, go down to SVN Checkout, and you'll get a screen popping up asking for a excuse me, an address and a password. And for the address, it says right here, enter this address. So copy, right click copy, and then paste. Oops, sorry about that. Paste everything in between these quotes here. And then for the username, enter anonsvn, and for the password, enter anonsvn. And then go ahead, press OK, and it'll take a while to download. But once it's finished, just click OK or finish or something, and then you should have this green check mark next to add-ons. And Wiremod does update occasionally, because they'll find bugs or they'll add new LUA tools or something. To update it, just right click and go down to SVN update. This I can show you. And I got this. I don't feel like updating my SVN, but for some reason Wiremod is not working right now. I don't know if they fixed that or if it's just my SVN, but enough about me. Anyway, pretty much there you go. I mean, once you do the SVN checkout, and you back out and you see the green check next to add-ons, that's basically it. You have Wiremod now. So your next step will be probably launch Gary's Mod and kind of see how stuff looks, and you probably won't understand a damn thing, but you know, that's cool. That's why I'm making these tutorials. So again, wiremod.com, right there, wiremod.com. I'll put both links, the Trickiest Tutorials and Wiremod, in the description. And I hope you guys watch the rest of my videos. It's going to be mainly on Wiremod. I don't know if I'll include any other applications or something like that. I will if I feel like it or something like that. But so yeah, there you go.
This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50%